Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to find help section on the My Little Pony Coloring Budge application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen. You just type the numbers, actually 3330, and that is the settings and info section. You can find the help and frequently asked questions option. Click that and just wait 5 seconds. So here you can find different questions, you can find tutorials and different tips. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.